always one that will not go in.
We had a cow out in the plum bushes out behind. We got her. To the corral, you know, out there? You know where the corral is.
Yep.
Well, it was down east. I couldn't get the bull. He wouldn't go west. He wouldn't go up near the corral. So he hazed the whole herd west, and then I took him down along the fence.
Come on up, Xenia. Push up behind him. It won't go through the fence. It thinks it's electric. Thomas is going to try to rope this thing. He's gonna run it up. All right, so you're just gonna pull right over there to the left. Go to the left. Can you off the brake? Off the brake. Yeah, left. Good. A little more. A little more. Okay, back to the right now. Back to the right. Brake. Good. Park. Towards you and all the way up. Is it in P?
Yeah.
Okay, then you can let off the brake and turn the key off. He finally roped her.
Come on.
Danny's a cowboy.
You have to, don't jump out the fence. Well, he can walk out down here, wait, he got down. Someone help me! I can't hold him!
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
He'll get you! He'll get you! He'll get you! He's running cool.
He's got to pull him out now. Yeah, yeah, you're all right. You're all right. Let's go. Come on. Come on, buddy. Come on, buddy. Come on.
Come on, fella!
Come on. Good you got him around the leg. That's smart. Finally, finally. Look at she'd rather be dragged than go over that wire. Come on, buddy. Come on, get up. Come on. Come on, friend. Get up. Come on, buddy. Finally got her out of there. They're successfully on the way home after about 3 hours. The sun is almost gone. Good job, Z.
Yay.
Gentle, gentle, gentle. Slow down, slow down.
I am very slow. Are we going all the way back to Grandma's house?
Yep. Watch the road.
Doing. I wish he would have forgot about that other stuff he's doing now.
Well, you wanted to go a couple weeks ago.
Yeah. We didn't go do it.
It's pretty cool.
This line is froze right here.
How do you know that's gonna thaw it enough?
It will.
Is it boiling water?
No, just from the hot water heater.
How warm is it coming from the well?
About 50 degrees.
This flexible fight. Well, it probably was right here. That's what I would think, but I don't.
We got it working!
Piece of cardboard on
Now the cows have water. Look at the
I
steam.
wouldn't throw it. Get it out of here. You've got plenty of ice here anyway. I don't know why you didn't fill this in with dirt. See,
Thing.
I get it.
Poor moo-moos. Success, it's going again. Hi, moo-moo. Oh, they're so happy.
Yeah, they really are. Because they haven't had any water.
So thirsty. Poor guys. Hi.